If you're seeing this video, your credit report has revealed some significant challenges. With a score below 580, you're currently paying thousands more in interest, facing frequent denials, and possibly struggling with predatory lenders. But here's the truth. Most experts won't tell you this situation can be turned around faster than you might think. I'm Lawrence from DSI, and I specialize in helping people just like you transform their credit profile using legitimate, proven strategies that banks don't want you to know about. The credit bureaus make billions by keeping consumers in the dark about their rights. Did you know that 79% of credit reports contain errors that can be legally disputed? Or that many negative items remain on reports long after they should be removed? What makes our approach different is our comprehensive system that addresses all three bureaus simultaneously using advanced dispute techniques that most credit repair companies don't even know about. Let me show you exactly how our system works for scores in your range. For scores below 580, we've developed a specialized credit rescue protocol that addresses the most damaging items first, creating rapid improvements that can open doors to better financing options in as little as 45 to 90 days. In the next video, I'll walk you through our exact process and show you real results from clients who started right where you are now. Stay tuned and let's take the first step toward financial freedom together.